Sukhoi Su-57 Felon, Russia's fifth-generation stealth fighter, takes flight. The Sukhoi Su-57 Felon, also known by the NATO designation Felon, is a state-of-the-art, fifth-generation multi-role fighter jet developed by Russia's Sukhoi Aviation Corporation. This video provides a comprehensive look at the Su-57, exploring its design, capabilities, and potential impact on global air power. Felon's stealth and power unveiling. Sleek design. We'll examine the Su-57's aerodynamic features and advanced materials designed to minimize radar signature and maximize maneuverability. Twin engine performance. Discover the powerful engines that propel the Su-57 to supersonic speeds and enable impressive combat agility. Multi-role prowess. Explore the Su-57's versatility in air-to-air combat, ground and sea attack missions, and intelligence-gathering operations. Beyond stealth, technological development of the Su-57. Integrated avionics. We'll examine the Su-57's advanced onboard systems, including powerful sensors, sophisticated communications networks, and intuitive pilot interfaces. Weapons armament. Discover the variety of air-to-air and air-to-surface weapons that the Su-57 can carry, making it a formidable force on the battlefield. The future of Russian air power. Discuss the Su-57's role in modernizing the Russian Air Force and its potential impact on the global military landscape. Join us as we take flight with the Sukhoi Su-57 Felon. This video provides an in-depth analysis of this remarkable aircraft, offering valuable insight for aviation enthusiasts and military technology enthusiasts alike.